guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia and today I want to show you all how to make some spicy garlic butter pasta. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Please consider subscribing, and without any further ado, let's get to making some pasta. To start this recipe, go ahead and add your extra virgin olive oil and your thinly sliced garlic to a small saucepan and heat this over medium heat. Once your garlic starts to sizzle, make sure you cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you're not walking away from it. You don't want your garlic to brown. You just want it slightly golden brown on the edges. Once it gets that way, take it off the heat and put this in a heat-safe bowl and just set it aside for later. Then in a large pot, bring some salted water to a boil and cook your pasta until it is al dente. Meanwhile, to a large skillet, add in your butter, your garlic, and your pepper flakes and cook this over medium-high heat. Make sure you're stirring the butter constantly until it melts. You want the butter to get infused with the garlic that you minced and the pepper flakes. This adds a lot of flavor. So once this is all cooked and melted, or the butter is melted, add in your soy sauce and your fish sauce. You don't need too much of this just because it adds a lot of flavor. So don't go overboard with this, adding extra. You don't want it too salty or too fishy. So go ahead and give it a stir, let it cook for another minute or so, and then take it off the heat while you wait for your pasta to cook. So I just went ahead and turned off my stove and set my skillet aside. Once my pasta was done, I brought it back to the stovetop. I gave it a little stir, warmed it up, and then I went ahead and I just started adding my pasta straight into the sauce. You'll notice that it smells super good. If you guys like pasta with garlic and butter, this is totally going to be your jam. So go ahead and give this a stir. So you might need to reserve some water for the sauce, but if not, I didn't add any extra water. Just go ahead and cook this on medium heat until it is all absorbed into the pasta. So you'll notice that it shouldn't be watery and everything should be combined. Once it looks like that, you can go ahead and take it off the heat. This doesn't take too long. It only takes a few minutes. So go ahead and take it off the heat. Add in some freshly grated parmesan cheese, some of that oil and garlic that you made earlier. Don't forget that garlic. Give it a good mix. Now, the parmesan cheese tends to clump up. Just keep on mixing it until it is completely melted into your pasta. If this is not enough for your family, make sure you're doubling this recipe because it is really good. This pasta definitely has an Asian flair to it, so if you guys like Asian food, give this one a try. It is super good. Here I am trying to plate it and look professional. Listen, I tried my best. I just didn't succeed, so we're just going to move on and pretend nothing happened. All I did was top it off with some extra green onion, some extra parmesan, and of course, some of that oil with garlic. Make sure you guys check out my recipe in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day and staying safe. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys next time. See ya!